I've been looking into this new system called Stanford STORM.
Oh yeah? What's that all about?
Well, it's an AI writing system developed by Stanford's Open Virtual Assistant
Right.
Lab. It's designed to help generate structured Wikipedia-like articles on basically any topic.
That's fascinating. So how does it actually work?
So it's built around this tree-based knowledge representation system.
Mm-hmm.
Think of it like organizing information hierarchically based on themes.
Kind of like creating an outline before writing?
Exactly. And it operates in two main modes. There's collaborative storm, or co-storm, which allows multiple AI agents to discuss and represent different perspectives.
Okay.
Then there's Storm Wiki, which focuses on generating articles from those conversations.
That's pretty cool. Does it handle citations as well?
Yes, it does. In fact, during its writing phase, it transforms outlines into articles with accurate citations.
Right.
They've reported citation recall and precision rates above 84%.
Wow, that's impressive. But does it really match up to human written content?
Well, they did some quality assessments using something called the FreshWiki dataset.
Mm-hmm.
Experts found that Storm outperformed other systems by improving structural quality by 25% and content coverage by 10%.
That's significant. But are there any drawbacks?
Yeah, there have been some criticisms. Some users reported issues like system slowness during peak times and occasional
I see.
inaccuracies. Plus, there's the concern about unintended plagiarism.
Makes sense. Anytime you're using AI-generated content, you've got to be cautious.
Exactly. But they seem to be actively working on improvements, like enhancing multilingual support and citation
Yeah.
accuracy. They're also focusing on user experience enhancements like customizable themes.
Customizable themes? That's a nice touch.
It is. It shows they're considering the user experience, not just the functionality.
Right.
And the community engagement seems strong. They've got active discussions and feedback loops.
That's crucial for ongoing development. So what's the impact of Storm in the academic world?
Well, it's been helping researchers save a lot of time. Some reported completing literature reviews in half the usual time.
Wow.
Educators are also finding it useful for preparing teaching materials more efficiently.
That's a game changer. But do you think it'll replace traditional research methods?
I don't think it'll replace them, but it's a powerful tool to complement them.
Right.
It still requires human oversight to ensure accuracy and depth.
Definitely. And what about future plans for Storm?
They're aiming to incorporate more human-in-the-loop functionalities and develop abstract representations of curated information.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, they're looking to improve the overall user experience.
Sounds like they're on the right track.
Yeah, it's exciting to see how tools like Storm will evolve and impact academic research.
Absolutely.
The balance between AI assistance and human input is key.
Couldn't agree more. It'll be interesting to watch how this changes the landscape of content creation.